Hi, good morning, Bri. Good afternoon, actually.
Yeah, I was doing the time difference and I was like, I think this is is it 9 o'clock your time? Oh, what is up? It is about to be 1 o'clock today on June 29th, and it is a self-care day in the Galarza household. I am going through and just rethinking my whole life, you know, because why not, as you should on a Sunday. But I've decided that for the start of Q3, did some deep research this fine morning, and we're gonna do what is called the AIP protocol. It's an anti-inflammatory protocol, basically, that I'm gonna eliminate all things that are essentially bad for me, because there might be some things that I eat on a consistent basis that just my body has grown to just deal with, and they might just be really bad for me, and that's probably why my heart rate is so elevated. I'm like really puffy in the eyes, which I hate, and my HRV is trash. So we gotta figure it out. So this is a very extreme diet, extreme protocol, and at this point I'm gonna carry my cross daily, and this is my cross. This is the hardest thing on the planet. This is the thorn in my side, which is not understanding why, from a, you know, hormonal perspective, why things are so out of whack on the inside. And we're gonna figure this out, guys, because at this age, we gotta get our life together, and that's what we're gonna do. So right now I'm gonna clean out my pantry, clean out my kitchen, so that over the next 60, 90 days that I'm gonna be doing this, I could be locked in and not get distracted by things that I imagine I'm gonna start to get tempted by, like day 4. So I gotta make sure that my willpower stays strong, because there's nothing bad in this household. So that's what I'm about to do while listening to good old Alfie here, which I really like his content. I've been kind of obsessed with it all weekend, so I ended up purchasing his little playbook to social media because I like his creativity. This guy, he's onto something. So that's what I'm about to do. We're still doing what I was just doing, which is cleaning out the pantry. All right. Love that. We're taking this seriously for the first time, and I'm excited. I'm excited for this challenge. Oh my gosh, who is this? A lot of these are like my actual friends and family that are choosing to follow my Instagram page. So this is my new one. It's called Bri Galarza Creator. And I just decided to start it from scratch just because my personal one has a lot of like friends and family on there that I just, I feel like didn't connect with me on Instagram to like learn about sales content and stuff. So I just wanted to switch over to a new one so that people that do follow this one can enjoy it, because I think my content's all right. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And I think, much like anything, if time management you find is challenging at times, totally fine. It's a system that you can build for yourself. And if the system does not work for you and you try it for, you know, a month and you're just like, it's not my cup of tea, find your own system. There's plenty of books out there that talk about prioritization and focus and time management. Tons of books that I've read too that I'm happy to share your direction if some of these topics you do find as key weaknesses or even opportunities. Good morning, good morning. I'm drinking some bone broth. Got some turmeric and ginger.
Ginger shot, turmeric.
Now, I gotta do my little walk. Steele. I've got a bone to pick with you. Ah, what a bummer. I'm really bummed about you leaving. Wow, just keep coming with the punches.